Spreadsheet field commands reproduce or copy the same data. If down a column, we called it field down. If across a row, we called it field right. Field commands can be used with text and values, including formulas. The field series command is used to create data with a pattern. For example, if you type Sunday in cell A1, you can use the fill command to fill cells B1 through G1 with the rest of the days. The same is true for months and numbers that have a pattern. The field commands generate data quickly and accurately and are great time savers. To fill a column with a series of numbers, select the first cell in the range that you want to fill and type the starting values for the series. Type a value in the next cell to establish a pattern. Then, select the cells that contain the starting values and drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill. In this example, you are creating a pattern such as by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And this is another pattern, 5, 10 to 30. These numbers are not automatically updated when you add, move, or remove rows. You can manually update the sequential numbering by selecting two numbers that are in the right sequence and then dragging the fill handle to the end of the numbered range. The fill commands generate data quickly and accurately and are great time savers.